Hi everyone, welcome back to Chinatown Service Center, VITA, the 7th lessons. Today we are talking about upload client information to TaxSlayer portal. Okay, collect client information. So the information is for the intake interviewer to collect the information. We need client basic information. First is an expired ID or driver license, a social security card original copy, and health insurance card or the proof of the whole year health coverage last year. For example, 1095A form, 1095B form, 1095C form. Depends on their health insurance is provided by the government, provided by the um, health insurance they bought, or provide from the Medicare Medicaid. Okay, and the second thing is proof of their income. For example, 1099 form and W2 form. Okay, other thing else is 1098 form or other 1099 form. The third, if the client have the 1099 NEC form or 1099K, we would help client to make Schedule C according to their expense on that job. If the if they would like to if they would like to claim the mileage, so they can use the lot to record their miles before their job or after their job and then we will see the balance between this, uh, and then we could count how many miles they will be using their uh, for their job. So if they are drive Uber or Lyft, so they will be sent the taxpayer a form. It's called summary. Yeah, the summary, the annual summary. The annual summary, they will tell us really details how many miles they drive in the previous year using for work, and they will tell you more details about the expense on this job. So this is a really basic we can claim. So other thing is about the 1099 form. If they drive the truck, and the truck, if they are the truck driver, the taxpayer is a truck driver, and truck driver they should be claim their meal, and the rent, the hotel, for this on the Schedule C. This one is also kind of the uh, expense we can claim on. Of course, they need to show the receipt about that. If they don't have the receipt about that, uh, the information by their mouth and no proof, that is really bad habit, because um, if the IRS or franchise tax board want to audit this kind of job expense, you need to show the information about this kind of the expense. If you cannot show, you will get trouble. Okay, and not the writer get trouble. It's the taxpayer get trouble. Finally, they will need to come to us. Our tax clinic need to take care of more of the client because of the self-employment income. Okay, next thing, we need to scan everything to the computer. After we scan to the computer, we will have the um, folder to keep the information. The first we need to keep is this form, 13614C form. Another form we need to keep it is this one. This one is our own intake form for our internal using. And this form will be mentioned, did they do rent or buy their house, and how about did they have health insurance, and how about did they get any extra help from other person, or the cash income. We can everything we can mark it on this paper. And this year we would be adding additional question in here. We will be adding the information about their races and about their English ability and their sexual orientation in this form, because we need to collect those information to tell the government what our center do and what kind of person they would be come to our center to file in tax. We need some of the data about that. So this year, 2022, we will be adding some of the information about that. Of course, like previous year, we will be adding the bank information about that if they want to do direct deposit or direct debit. And after we doing this one, we will be scanned to the computer. But these two forms we will not scan to the computer. This one we just keep it and to let our tax preparer to understand that. So after that, we will be scan the information to the TaxSlayer account. Before we scan information, those documents to the TaxSlayer portal account. So before that, we will go to the TaxSlayer to create an tax account. This account would be help the taxpayer to prepare the tax. So we need a very basic information like the client social security card number, their name, their birthday, their address, their phone number, their marriage status, and did they have dependent or did they uh, dependent with someone or did they have rent house, did they have health insurance, did they live in what state they are registered before the state they register uh, before 2022 December 31st. Yeah, something like that information. After that, we will be on the right hand corner to see to click the client name, and downstairs they have the scan portal buttons, and then we just click this one. Could be enter the this is upload document place. So I know this slide will be really full of imagination. You don't need imagination because next page we have picture. Yeah, let the picture here. So the normally you after enter their social security card number, their name, their phone number, their address, their marriage status, their everything inside. You will see the main page is like this. Okay, of course, the 2022 not start yet. Right now, the page would be 2021. So we will be go to this place. This one will show the taxpayer name, and then we click this one. After we click that, they will have scan document buttons. If they don't have if they have some of the information on their cell phone, we can create a portal for the customers to let them uh, log in to their portal and upload their document through their cell phone. This is one the safe way to do it. If they don't, they have everything on hand, and then we just scan everything to a computer, and then doing this step, this scan document. It will be because having a new page is it will be you can upload your document. You will be see this one. They will open a new window, or they will be on the same window but different tab. Okay, so whatever you will see in these pages. When you see these pages, you click the left hand corner. You will see upload document button. click this button, you will see this one. And then that time you could be open your you could be click the grade area to upload your to find your document and then upload to there. Or you could be directly open a folder and then to move the document to this gray area. This also kind of upload. So if the document successful, they will be giving you a green uh, click mark over there. If they don't accept those documents, that meaning the document is out of the PDF, JPEG, or some of the information, or their um, document, the gigabyte is too high, too high. So we limit each of the single file not over 10 megabyte. So if you see the red color cross over there, you can keep continue to click the save up and upload document. And then you click this one, and then your document will be shown here. With if your document have the green color tick, it would be shown on here. If they have the red cross buttons, it won't be shown here. That meaning you need to fulfill their requirement. For example, like 10 megabyte, you need to might be one PDF is too high gigabyte. You can break it down 3 pages, 3 pages, 3 pages. Break it down to make the megabyte could be passed. Okay, after you upload the document, so it will be on here. Okay, and other thing else, yeah, if you want to let the customer upload through their cell phone, you can create a portal downstairs. But I don't know why here they don't show. But usually under the scan document button, they have the create customer portal button. You can click that one. You will see. Okay, here additional. Marriage status would could file head of household out of single. Never marry, divorce, except never married, divorce, or widow. Widow is really special. For the first year, become a widow. For example, like your husband or wife or partner die on 2021. So for the 2021 tax return, you need to file married filing joint. But on the 2022, you could file with widow. 2023 widow, 2024 also widow, and you could be filed single is on the fourth year. So married filing joint, but you need to claim your husband or your partner or your wife die what day, and the second year will be found widow, third year widow, fourth year widow, and the fifth year you could be found single. Okay, marriage and except the marriage status, you could file for the head of household. For example, they are single family, husband and wife legally separate, and then the wife take care of the child. They could be filed head of household, or they are married, but mostly is they are not. But those couple they don't want to join; they want to separate, and one of the separate they are take respond to take care of the child. So in that test form, they don't need to file married filing joint. They could be filed head of household to, and then they need to input their child or the elder information in this tax form for the head of household. And another partner, if they